Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss another Leetcode problem. That problem is based on string. Okay, so the question is sort vowels in a string. Given a zero index string is permute is to get new string t such that all consonants remain in their original places. More formally, if there is an index I with 0 less than equals to I less than s to length such that s of I is a consonant, then t of I equals to s of I. The vowels must sorted in non-descending order of the ASCII values. More formally, for pairs of indices I, j with 0 less than equals to I less than j less than s to length, such as s of I and s of j are vowels, then t of I must be have the higher ASCII value than t of j. Return the resulting string. The vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and they are appear in lowercase and uppercase consonants comprise all letters that are not vowels. Okay, so I think this question is little big, but it's not actually what this question is saying to you. That suppose, okay, let's see the first example. Okay, this is your string you have. Okay, so in this thing you have vowels and consonants. Okay, so the thing is, in a one line I can say you have to sort all the vowels and you have to sort the vowel in ascending order. Okay, and you have to follow the ASCII value for this. Okay, suppose in this string you have this thing you have. Okay, so in this string what are the vowels you have? Capital E you have, then small e, then capital O. Okay, then again E. These are the vowels you have. Okay, four vowels you have. Okay, so the thing is you have to sort these vowels and then you have to replace the vowels. Like suppose if I sort these vowels, so first it will be E, then again capital O, then small e will be come. Okay, so now you have to replace this vowel in your main string. Like first you have L is a consonant, so no need to worry. Okay, next vowel you have, the first vowel will be like it is a sorted order, right? Means you have sorted all the vowels. Like this is the vowels you have now. Next you have sort the vowels. Okay, in ascending order you have sort. Okay, now you are replacing all the vowels. How you are replacing that I am discussing now. First consonant you have L, second is a vowel, you are replacing the vowel. Okay, because this first index position or like second element is your vowel, so you have to replace this capital A. Although it's same, but if it is not same, then still you have to replace. Okay, then you have small e. But you have to sort the vowels in ascending order. Although your next vowel is E, but you have to put a capital O because you have to sort the vowel or you have to arrange all the vowels of the string in ascending order. Okay, then T, then again C, then again you will get another vowel, right? Capital O. Now these two vowels you have used. What is your third vowel? You have E. So next you will have to add E only. Then D. D is a consonant, so don't need to worry. Then last one is again E. So this will be your output. You can see the same here also. I think this question is clear. The thing is you have given a string. Now sort all the vowels that are present in a particular string. Okay, and then you have to put the sorted vowels in your resultant string. Okay, in the same sequence you have to add the vowels. Okay, so in that particular string you have vowels and consonants, and all the vowels you have to sort in ascending order. Okay, so like this is your given string, and in your resultant string you can see all the vowels you have that is in ascending order. Okay, because that is same is also mentioned here also, the non-descending order of the ASCII values. Means you have to sort all the vowels based on the ASCII values. Okay, so I think this question is clear to you. In the second example you can see there is no vowel, only consonants are there, so you have to return the same string you have to return. Okay, So I think this question is clear to you, right? So now first thing first, I will solve this question in as expected in Java, but you can understand the logic and you can implement the same in any language. Okay, so I will solve this problem in simplest way, and you can solve this problem in many other ways also, but in this video I'll explain the easiest way how you can solve this problem. Okay, so what I will do now, I will use one array list. In the particular array list I will add all the vowels and then I will sort that array list. Okay, and then what take one resultant empty string I will take, and in the resultant string I will add vowels and consonant, but at the time when we will add the vowels I will take the vowels from that particular array list. Why so? Because in the particular array list all the vowels are ascending order, that's why whenever I will get in a vowel I will add that vowel from that particular array list. Okay, so I think overview is clear to you. So now let's see how we can solve this problem, then you will get it definitely better. So what I have said that first I will use one array list. Okay, and I will store the character types values, right? So I will use one character type array list. Okay, and a equals to new. Okay, but before that I will create one method to check the particular character is vowel or not. Okay, so public static method why I am using, because I don't want to create any object and all, so that's why here I am using static method. Okay, boolean is vowel. Okay, character alphabets we have the 5 vowels, but you have to check for 10 because in lowercase and uppercase in both cases you have to check. So I will check the same in here also, like a condition you have to check. As you can see I have checked it is vowel or not. Yes or no, in our alphabets we have the 5 vowel a e i o u, and I am checking for both the cases lowercase and uppercase, both the cases I am checking a e i o u. Yeah, I have covered all the characters. Okay, and return true. Okay, else, okay, I need to use one second bracket and then return false. Okay, I will just format this code. Okay, so I think it's clear method why I am using this method to check the particular character is a vowel or not. So that's why I am checking this if condition that the particular character is like a, e, I or u, and even in lowercase and also in uppercase, both the cases I am checking. If it is, then I will do true, otherwise I will return this false. So this is clear to you. Okay, so now next what I will do, now I will traverse this particular string. Okay, so is VOWL vowel. If vowel, then what I will do, I will add that particular character in our array list. Okay, right? So after this for loop you will get one array list and it will contains all the vowels. Okay, so now only I need to use one method collections. Okay, collection to sort. Okay, al, right? So that's done. Only you need to do one thing, like for char c is do. Here I will check one string raise. Okay, and then I'll check if the particular character is a vowel or not. If the particular character is a vowel, then I will take that vowel character from our array list. Okay, so vowel, okay, C, right? And then here I will check one integer type variable. Do now in our resultant string I will add result plus a dot get of I. Okay, you have to maintain the order, right? So now if that particular character is not a vowel, it means it will be a consonant. In that case I will just simply raise plus c I can do. Okay, and at the end I'll just return our raise, means the resultant string I will return. Okay, so what is the point of this I is that like this I is using to denoting this array list indexes. Okay, so whenever I will get any vowel, I will take the vowel element from our array list, because array list all the vowels are in sorted order, right? Suppose in the first example, if I take in the first example, what are the vowels we have? Like we have capital E, small e, then capital O, small e. Okay, so now if you sort these characters, then first it will be like E, then capital O, then small e. Okay, so this will be the array list you will have after sorting. Okay, so now whenever you will vowel, I will take their vowels values from our array list. Okay, so for the first time when you will get, like suppose this is our string, right? Like L, this is our string. Okay, so first time you have consonant, and you will simply add raise equals to L, you will add. Okay, so next time you will get one vowel, capital E you have. Okay, so this if block will execute, and now for if it is a vowel, then we will take our value from our array list. Okay, so you have capital E, so in our list we will add L, and then capital E we will add. Okay, right, this is what I am doing here. Okay, and then I am incrementing this I by 1, so now it will be capital, it will be 1. Okay, E, again this if block will execute because small e is a vowel. So again I will check in our array list. Okay, in our array list, what is our next index position element you have is capital O. Okay, that you have to add, because in this array list we have all the things in sorted order. That's why I am adding that. I am maintaining the sequence also. Okay, so now I, in the place of small e, I am adding capital O. Okay, then again you have T, so this else block will execute. Okay, so I am just copying and pasting it over here. Have small t, then it will be added because it is a consonant, no need to worry. So next we have small c, it will be consonant, you will simply add that consonant. Okay, next you have capital O. Okay, so capital O is a vowel. Okay, so now you have to add this thing. List we have in everything in sorted order. So next you have E, because last time it will be incremented by 2, you have to add E. Okay, and next it will be incremented by 3. Okay, so next you have D. Okay, so next you have D. D is a consonant, so no need to worry. So next you have E. So again this if log will execute. Now again this if log will execute, and this will be added, means now from our array list last vowel is small e will be added. Okay, so this way I am getting the same resultant output. Okay, that is our expected. Okay, so now just run this code once and then let's see. Okay, okay, I need to use comment. Okay, so now just run this code. Okay, it is accepted. Now submit this code. Okay, so now let's analyze the time complexity and space complexity. So here our space complexity is order of n. Why so? Because here I am using one dimensional array list. Okay, so here that's why our space complexity is order of n. What about the time complexity? Here I am using for loop. Here again I am using one for loop. So now you may think like, okay, now it means our time complexity will be order of n, but that is not the case, because here I am using one another method is sort method, and this sort method time complexity is order of n log n. Okay, so that's why you have to take the maximum one. So that's why your time complexity will be order of n log n. Okay, so I think these two things is clear to you. Okay, it is our time complexity and this is our space complexity. Okay, so now I have a question for you. Internally, which sorting technique we are using here? This collections or sort method, which sorting technique it is using? Tell me in the comment section. If you don't know, I will add this answer in the pinned comment. You can check that from here there also. Okay, so I think this solution is clear to you. It is the easiest way you can solve this solution. Okay, uh, obviously there have some like optimization. You can optimize this code according to your needs and according to your requirements. Okay, but this is the simplest way and the easiest way you can solve this solution. Okay, so I think this solution is clear to you. We are doing nothing. We are just maintaining one array list. In the array list we are just adding all the vowels, and at the end we are just sorting the all the vowels. Okay, and while we are creating our resultant string, we are just adding all the consonants. Whenever you are getting any vowel, then we are adding that vowel elements from our sorted array list. Okay, why we are following the sorted array list? Because in the sorted array list all the letters in all the characters are in ascending order, and in your resultant string also all the vowels should be in ascending order. That's why whenever we are getting any vowel, we are taking that vowel from our sorted array list. Okay, I think this solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, any concerns, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.